In South Asia, GTF is being implemented by FANSA and five of its partners in two countries, India and Bangladesh. So the GTF program has totally in South Asia focused on most excluded communities who have a lot of vulnerabilities and also hard to reach communities. If you take the case of India, we have covered the areas like Santal Parganas in Jharkhand, Dalits and Koya tribals in Andhra Pradesh, and the tribal communities in Odisha state. In case of Bangladesh, this program has focused on most vulnerable tea garden workers, hill track tribal people, and are also people living in Hawar areas. The main of the design of the program is to empower these communities such that they can work with the government such that to claim the rights and entitlements for water and sanitation services. There have been locally adapted tools and approaches that have been developed or customized by these groups, by the partners and the communities, and tested that and upscaled it in their own such that and that helped them to realize the entitlements in water and sanitation. For example, in India, right to information is one tool which has been exclusively has been used, and this tool has helped to promote transparency, seek transparency from the government, and also accountability, know what is the services available to them, budget available to them, and therefore that helps them to demand the government through various means like petitioning and phone calls, postcards, and also various other means. This has helped. One point is to access water and sanitation services, and on the other hand, it also helped them to access services in other non-wash sectors, non-water and other sectors like electricity, rural employment, and many other areas. So in India, if we have to summarize the tools that have been used, which has helped communities, Right to Information Act, and then we have petitioning, we have phone calls to government officials, and in Bangladesh, open budget was the important tool which has been used to know the budget details of the Union Parishad and therefore increase the wash allocation. Past almost 5 years of GTF has helped us in many ways. One is internalize the GTF approaches within our organization. So and in the partners organizations. So earlier we used to work on service delivery approaches, all the partners. Now is governance advocacy is the approach that is a important point that is getting institutionalized into the organizational culture. And any program, not only water and sanitation, but even other programs also, this approach, governance advocacy, will be successfully used. Second thing is we want to upscale these learnings into other geographical areas where excluded communities are living and really they are suffering for want of water and sanitation services. So this upscaling, definitely we are looking for support from other organizations, like-minded organizations, where we can really upscale it. Third thing we want to do is share the learnings to other sector players. We want to do it very effectively. There are many players in the wash sector and also non-wash sector where we want to share it, these learnings. Like the documents which we have developed as part of this GTF program, like learning review documents, the 5 series book, it will be very useful for us to share to the sector players, and as such this will help to replicate the approaches